Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm going to go over a winter emergency car kit for the last couple of days of winter. Living in a cold climate means that you should keep an emergency kit in your vehicle. The National Weather Service recommends you carry the following in your car: a cell phone, a charger and batteries, blankets, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a knife, non-perishable foods, extra clothing, a small can and waterproof matches to melt snow for drinking water, a container of sand or cat litter for traction, a shovel, a windshield scraper or brush, a toolkit, battery jumper cables, a container of water, candles, and a compass and road maps. If you want to read more about this kit that you can build for yourself, go look at the National Weather Service. This was posted in January of 2017. Thanks for watching this video. I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.